The universe, space-time and its contents, originated 13.8 billion years ago via the Big Bang. The observable universe is 93 billion light-years wide. It expands and accelerates due to dark energy. Pre-scientific models were Earth-centric. Today's models assert an edgeless, centerless, and largely uniform universe. Gravity coalesced early hydrogen and helium gases into the first stars. The Sun is one of 200 billion stars in the Milky Way galaxy, which itself is one of 200 billion galaxies in the observable universe. And the universe's expansion may culminate in the heat death. Earth, third planet from the Sun and the only known host of life, formed 4.5 billion years ago via solar system dust accretion. It's 40,000 kilometers around the equator. It's structured as an iron core, the mantle, and the crust. Atmosphere, 4 parts nitrogen, 1 part oxygen, and trace gases. Surface, 71% water. Tectonic plate movement causes earthquakes and volcanoes. The Moon, its only natural satellite, glows by reflected sunlight. Earth's tilt and orbit causes the seasonal cycle, and its rotation causes the day and night cycle. Life. What grows, reacts, adapts, reproduces, and uses energy. Emerged 3.5 billion years ago, possibly from non-living matter. Cells are the basic units of life. Organisms range from single-cell bacteria to multicellular plants and animals. 2 million recorded species on Earth, many threatened. Diversity arises via variation and natural selection. The DNA in cells encodes genetic instructions. All known life is carbon-based with water as the solvent. Over 99% of all species ever are extinct. We look for alien life on Earth like exoplanets. Science. The study of nature by the scientific method. The steps are question, observation, hypothesis, then experimentation. It gives scientific knowledge, enough of which can make models in a scientific theory. The branches of science are formal, natural, social, and applied. The natural sciences are physics, chemistry, and biology. Science was revolutionized 400 years ago with the heliocentric model. Key theories are the theory of relativity from physics, atomic theory from chemistry, and the theory of evolution from biology. Key concerns are responsible research and environmental stewardship. Technology, the practical application of scientific knowledge. The key types are agricultural, medical, manufacturing, transport, and communication. Controlling fire meant cooking, warmth, and protection. Farming, 13,000 years ago, stabilized food supply, enabling civilization. Writing, 5,000 years ago, meant preservation and transgenerational transfer of knowledge. Electricity powered the Industrial Revolution, both about 200 years ago, a shift from handcrafted to machine-made goods. Emerging technologies include robotics, blockchains, and AI. Key concerns are privacy, job displacement, and climate change. Art, the creative expression of human imagination. The key types are visual, performing, literary, culinary, and applied. Dates back 50,000 years in visual form, though likely older in singing and storytelling. It can be for communication, devotion, critique, and therapy. Genres and movements exist, but they defy full systematization. Creating art involves subject preparation, piece crafting, and appreciation. Restoration is possible too if the creator's intent is known. Museums help preserve and democratize artistic cultural heritage. Key concerns are forgery, appropriation, and censorship. Language, a communication system with vocabulary and grammar. Maybe 150,000 years old, the origins are elusive. About 7,000 languages exist today, over 4,000 may be written, but one goes extinct every 2 weeks. Human language is unique as they discuss imaginary or absent subjects. The most spoken ones are English, Hindi, Spanish, Arabic, and Mandarin. Languages evolve with culture by migration, isolation, and trade. There's about 150 language families based on evolutionary lineage. Humans, the most prevalent primate species. Different to the other great apes, they walk on 2 legs. Origins, Africa, 300,000 years ago. Mostly wandering hunter-gatherers until 13,000 years ago they settled and began farming. Current population, 8 billion, over 100 billion ever born. Highly social, forming families, kin groups, and states. Unique in abstraction, planning, and empathy. Genetically 99% identical, yet diverse in traits. Moon landings, 1969, potential for multiplanetary existence. Civilization, a society with complex infrastructure and government. Arose independently at least 6 times, especially in the Fertile Crescent. Classical civilizations advanced politics and philosophy. Post-classical ones saw religious shifts, empires expand, and scientific rigor. In modernity, tech has led to globalization and the digital age. Around 200 sovereign states, many disputed. Globally, legal systems mostly civil or common law. Economic systems mostly market-oriented. And political systems mostly nominally democratic. Global risks are climate change, World War III, and unaligned AI. Religion, a system of beliefs and practices linking humanity to spiritual elements. Rituals like burial date back at least 100,000 years. 3 out of 4 people are Christian, Muslim, Hindu, or Buddhist. Hinduism from the Indian subcontinent arose 3,500 years ago. Buddhism, 2,500 years ago in northeast India. Christianity, the largest religion, arose 2,000 years ago in the Middle East. Islam, the fastest growing, arose 1,400 years ago, also in the Middle East. Key concerns are extremism, pluralism, and secularism.